How to make a blog post using an AI step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create your own blog post with a simple AI. So let's get into it. Now, we are using the tool called Anyword. Today it is anyword.com, and you can just head on over to their website to get started. And it is a free to use AI tool that allows you a lot of different uses, such as writing blog posts, writing articles, or so much more. So you can write social media posts as well. You can add ad copies, to writer tools, writer rewrites, product descriptions, Amazon product descriptions, emails, and so much more with Anyword's AI. So to get started, all you need to do is go onto anyword.com, click on Start for Free on the top right over here. Once you click on Start for Free, this will be the sign up page. So you're just going to sign up by your email address and password, or you can sign up with Google as well. So you can just link your Google account like so to get started on Anyword. Now, once you have done that, you're just going to continue on over here. You're going to choose the plan that you want. We're just going to continue with the free version. And once you do that, this is going to be your dashboard. So you can see that you have multiple different workspaces that you can create, and you can just click on Add New over here. So let's say we're just creating the sample workspace. And now once you create your workspace, you will have your data-driven copywriting, you will have your document section, you will have your blog wizard, and then you will have your website targeting messaging. So you're just going to click on your blog wizard on the left side of your screen, and then you're going to click on new blog over here. Once you click on new blog, you can begin writing your blog description. So first off, you're going to describe what kind of blog post do you want to create. So this is to let the AI know what it's supposed to write. Obviously, you can't just leave the AI to write blog posts if you don't give it any guidance at all. So we're going to describe what kind of blog post that we want. So I want a blog post on maybe the best skincare products for dry skin. So once you do that, you're just going to enter the description. You can make it as long as you wish within 300 words. So you can write a 300-word description for the AI. And once you write a description, it is going to, the longer the description actually is, it's going to help the AI better understand what you want in your blog. And then after that, you can choose the industry that the blog should be in. So for me, it is going to be beauty and skincare. So it's skincare and dermatology. So I'm just going to select skincare. Below that, you have SEO keywords. Now, you can enable or disable this. However, I do recommend targeting this. And what you're just going to do once you turn SEO keywords on is that you're going to enter target keywords. Now, for this, you need to do some keyword research. If you haven't watched our videos on keyword research, make sure to check those out. I show you guys exactly how you're supposed to do keyword research and how to find different keywords, as well as multiple different tools that you can use for keyword research. So I would recommend that when you're actually writing your blogs, that you do keyword research and optimize this for SEO. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on next over here, and then you're going to title it. So this will generate titles for you, or you can write your own title as well. So you can see that we have multiple different title options, and you will see the performance rate of these titles as well. How to achieve glowing hydrated skin when you have dry skin, don'ts of skincare for dry skin, keep your skin glowing all winter long, the best skincare products and habits for dry skin, no problem, the best skincare products and habits, and dry skin no more, the best skincare product and habits. So you can see these are the generated titles. Now, if you actually don't like any of the generated titles, you can actually click on generate more for the AI generator to generate you more titles. And this is the best thing about this AI generator, is that they give you so many different options. And we're just going to scroll now and we're going to take a look at the new option. So 10 ways to get rid of dry skin for good. Dry skin, don't worry, we have got you covered. Now I want to go on ahead and take this title, and I'm just going to select it from over here, and then I'm going to click on next over here. Once I click on next, it will begin generating the outline for my blog post. Now you can see over here, I have the outline for my blog post. You can see section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section 6. Now you can add more sections and you can remove any section of your choice and customize it as well. So CBD oil, the best moisturizer for dry sensitive skin. How do you take care? How do you get rid of acne spots? So I don't want this section 5. So for this, I can just click on the section and I can just remove the section title and you can enter whatever you want. I can just copy the bottom section and I will paste it over here, and then I will remove the bottom section, and now I'm just going to click on next over here, and we're just going to click on edit outline, and I'm just going to name the last section called summary or conclusion, like so. And now I'm just going to click on next over here, and now you will see the blog post. So first off, we have our intro paragraphs, and you can see you have 3 different options. I'm just going to select the first one, then you're going to click on next, and for any of these sections you can add your own, outlines or titles if you don't like the AI generated ones. If you want to, have more hold over your blog and you want more control or you want more customization available, then you can go on ahead and enter your own text as well with alongside the AI generated text. So once you do that, you're just going to click on continue to editor. And over here, once you click on continue to editor, and you can see you have your intro paragraph, you have the different sections that you approved in the outline. So you can just click on generate over here. And you can add, a little title that the text should talk about. So what should the paragraph talk about? And then how should you take care of your face in winter? So I want to add moisturize regularly. And now I'm just going to click on generate over here because I just want this paragraph to illustrate that people should moisturize your skin in any situation. And you can skip the text as well and just click on generate and rephrase it as well. So you can also go on ahead and rephrase any of the text that you don't like, or click on start over for the text to be rewritten. Now after that, let's say that I want this to be long text, so I'm going to click on continue, and I want some more text for the second paragraph, and we're just going to wait for this to be generated. And that is the best part about this AI tool, is that you can really customize it as well as leave it on its own for however the overall AI thinks that it would be suitable to write your blog post. So once you have generated your text, we're just going to delete some of these sections. And once we have generated all our text, all you have to do now is, once you have finished the entire process, you can even view it once more. So you can check it for plagiarism over here. You can move the section up and down however you want it. And then you're just going to click on upgrade over here. So you can use the free version, or you can just copy paste your text onto your actual blog, or you can just click on the top right over here and click on save over here. And your brief is now saved, and you can click on copy blog to post to clipboard, and then you can just open up your blog website or wherever you're going to post your blog on, and you can just paste it over there. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.